Shyness is a feeling of discomfort or nervousness in social situations, especially around unfamiliar people or new environments. It often involves self-consciousness and fear of judgment or rejection, making it hard for shy people to start or maintain conversations. Shyness can range from mild to severe. In this video, we are going to talk about how to overcome shyness and express your truth. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 3 common causes of shyness. Shyness has multiple causes. What can cause shyness for some people may not be for others. Here are 3 potential factors that can cause shyness. 1. Inherited genes. If you have shy family members, it could be a genetic or environmental influence, or both. But these personality traits aren't set in stone. Being a shy child doesn't mean that you'll be a shy adult. 2. Environmental influences. The environment in which you grew up has a lot of impact on you. It can have a hold on you for many years to come. Having stringent parents who outlined everything you could and couldn't do as a child can make it hard to step outside your comfort zone as an adult. Or if you grew up in an unsafe environment, you could be scared to put yourself out there in social settings. 3. Traumatic experiences. Traumatic experiences from childhood can stay with you into adulthood. For instance, being bullied as a kid could cause your shyness to develop. Or if you were ridiculed and teased for your hobbies or passions as a young person, you may be hesitant to express them now. Living through a change in your family dynamic, from divorce or death, can also lead to shyness. No matter why you're shy, a BetterUp coach can help you understand the reasons behind your shyness and how you can overcome them. Our individual coaching options will guide you at your own pace to move past your shyness. This will help you start feeling better about your social interactions to meet your goals. Distinguishing between shyness and anxiety. It's essential to identify what exactly you're trying to overcome. Shyness, social anxiety, and introversion are often confused with one another. At first, you might think you have social anxiety when in fact you're shy, since social anxiety and shyness can often resemble one another. While they share similarities and may overlap, or someone may experience all 3, they're quite different. A social anxiety disorder is a mental health issue, while introversion and shyness aren't. People who have social anxiety can be introverts, but it stems from a fear of rejection, criticism from others, and self-criticism. People may withdraw from social settings and keep more to themselves as shy people do. Social anxiety can cause people to have more negative self-talk and harm their well-being. Anxiety can prevent people from enjoying a social life and overwhelm them when they meet people to the point that they can't do those things. Shyness can make people apprehensive, but it doesn't fill them with the same stress that anxiety does. Social anxiety disorder is a mental health issue and might need help from professional therapists. In contrast, shyness is something that you can work to overcome yourself. People tend to add introversion to shyness and anxiety too. Of course, they can be traits of a shy person or someone with social anxiety, but that isn't always the case. Not all introverts are shy. Introverts may not have problems with socializing because it depends on their mood. They'll be comfortable in the right social setting. Other times, they may choose to hang back and withdraw from social events because they prefer some time alone. 1. Start small. Stepping too far out of your comfort zone can be overwhelming, so don't hop straight into public speaking. Instead, set small goals to get you out of your shell. Start by talking to a family member or making small talk with a colleague. These things can help build confidence and calm your nerves. 2. Explore what you're good at. If your shyness is getting in the way of your success, then you could be missing out on new opportunities in life. When you always play it safe and never pursue your strengths, you'll stunt your personal growth. Exploring your strengths will help you diminish any self-doubt and make you more confident with trying new things. 3. Stop thinking that everyone is looking at you. People aren't paying attention to every move you make. Your shyness may try to convince you that everyone notices your mistakes, but it's not true. You don't have a spotlight on you in a crowd at a social event. Don't think that your social skills are being watched all the time. You can relieve some of that pressure by asking questions and focusing on the other person. 4. Don't self-sabotage or avoid social situations. We can be our own worst enemies. Be mindful of your self-talk in social situations when you're trying to be less shy. You deserve to overcome shyness and build confidence. It's important not to let your inner critic tell you otherwise, so that it can lead you to overcome your shyness. When you're shy, it's tempting to avoid scary situations. But when we don't socialize, we put ourselves at risk of depression and social isolation. Make an effort to see people. 5. Welcome setbacks. Having a setback of any kind isn't the end of your journey. One bad social interaction doesn't mean that you're incapable of one day becoming more comfortable in social settings. It's easy to be disappointed in yourself, but remember that nobody can be perfect right away. 6. Name it. What does your shyness do to you in social settings? Does your body language change? Do you struggle to make eye contact with people? Identifying when you start to feel shy can help you learn from it in the future. 7. Understand why you're shy. If you know why you're shy in social situations, you can look for ways to break the cycle. For example, it might be due to a lack of confidence or a bad experience that looms larger in your memory than it needs to. Maybe someone in your past made a big deal about your reserve and you feel it as a source of shame or embarrassment. Maybe it became part of how you think about yourself. Or maybe you'll discover that you really do prefer to be yourself with 1 to 2 good friends rather than surrounded by acquaintances and strangers. If you feel like there is persistent self-doubt, low sense of self-worth, or anxiety that is driving your shyness, consider working with a therapist or coach, particularly if shyness is interfering with your personal and professional satisfaction. It isn't crucial to identify where your shyness stems from, but it does help to identify and challenge any negative inner voice that might be making the situation worse. 8. Surround yourself with supportive people. When those around you are not judgmental of your shyness, you'll feel better about yourself. You may even feel empowered to step outside your comfort zone when you have supportive people cheering you on. 9. Seek therapy. Therapists are trained medical professionals who may be exactly what you need, especially if you're dealing with social anxiety. If you're struggling to overcome your shyness, talking to a therapist or life coach can help you. Identify its cause. Reframe negative thoughts that keep you from socializing. Manage physical symptoms that come from nervousness of social anxiety. Develop strategies to navigate uncomfortable social situations. Mindsets to acquire to manage your shyness. Overcoming shyness or social anxiety isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about cultivating qualities that help shy people feel more at ease and confident in social situations. Moving away from shyness might mean moving toward social ease. Feeling comfortable and relaxed in social situations, shy individuals can work toward expressing themselves naturally without overthinking or self-consciousness. This mindset is especially helpful for shy people when meeting new people or talking to strangers. Self-assuredness. Believing in your own worth and value allows you to engage with others without fear of rejection or judgment. This helps shy individuals improve their self-esteem and feel more confident in conversations. Openness. A willingness to connect, share, and engage with others without holding back due to fear or social anxiety. For introverts or those with social anxiety disorder, openness might mean trying to talk to people or smile more often, even in awkward situations. Assertiveness. The ability to express your thoughts, needs, and boundaries clearly and respectfully can help reduce feelings of anxiety and fear. Learning assertiveness skills can make it easier for shy people to navigate interactions and build stronger connections. Presence. Being fully engaged and focused in the moment, rather than getting lost in self-doubt or worry about others' perceptions, can ease nervousness and discomfort in social interactions. Paying attention to body language, making eye contact, and staying present in conversations are small steps that can make a big difference. Authenticity. Feeling free to be yourself, unfiltered and unguarded, in interactions with others is a major step toward overcoming shyness. It's not about becoming extroverted, but about embracing your personality while striving for genuine connections. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.